Falling on your feet, do you finally see what you're missing?
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you a fashion video. A while ago, a company called Monoi has reached out to me and they kindly invited me to pick one of their lovely handbags they have on their website. So this is exactly how it arrived to me. This is the outer packaging. I'm going to unbox and share with you what I have picked up. Also, by the end of the video, I'm going to let you know how I style this lovely piece, because I bought some clothes recently that I haven't had the chance to share them with you. But before we are doing that, let me tell you a little bit of the company. So Monoi, it's a company that are customer focused based and dedicated to bring premium quality and original design bags that you'll have to use. Our team has over 30 years of experience. However, Monoi brings something different, something unique. We are determined to create the ultimate solution to your specific needs. Each of our design focus on a range of compartments, long-term quality, functionality, and of course, plenty of pocket space. With Monoi bags, you will be able to keep your life organized but remain stylish at the same time. When you reach for your Monoi bag, we want you to be able to express yourself, feeling confident and inspired in all your daily activities with Monoi by your side. So this seems really lovely. Also, I want to let you know that Monoi does ship worldwide and they do offer free shipping. However, they shared with me a $15 coupon off. So I think that is fantastic. Now let me show you what I have picked up. So this is the packaging right here. It came in an outer packaging, and let me show you the front. Here it's written, crafted in passion, created with purpose. This is a very sturdy outer packaging and it's magnetic. Yeah, so I love that detail. So you can tell the detail from the outer packaging, and this is right inside the bag. So we have a card that it says, thank you, crafted in passion, created with purpose, Monoi. Thank you so much for your order. We really appreciate it. We hope you enjoy your purchase. All of our products are crafted with an obsessive attention to detail. And our bag is coming in a dust bag, which I'm going to keep. I will also save the outer packaging because I think it's more convenient to store it in this kind of packaging. So this has a ribbon here. It's a drawstring bag and it feels like a velvet. It's not velvet, but it's very quality, I'll say. Love the logo. So the bag that I picked up is called Hebe and it's a crossbody bag. Look at her. She's absolutely gorgeous. The color that I picked up is the color caramel, and I have seen right now on the website it is sold out, but don't worry because it will come back in stock very soon. Right off the bat I can smell the leather, so all their bags are made out of natural leather. So we have here the shoulder string and we have one big zipper here and the separate compartment on the front, but also we have a pocket here. So let's start with the front pocket. First of all, I love the size of the bag. It's not too big and not too small. I can carry it with me on daily basis. Right now I have a similar or maybe a little bit a big size of a bag that I wear currently, and it's kind of large, so I think it will be perfect for what I need right now. But also I can see myself having this kind of bag when I'm traveling. When I'm opening up this one, I have a medium size, I would say, pocket, and it's magnetic. Actually you have 3 magnets, so you have one here and one in the middle and 2 on each side. So this is offering a more secure closure, and inside you have another pocket. This is a very sturdy pocket you have two zipper, and the hardware it's gold. Oh, the zipper works like butter. Usually with newer handbags, zipper is not so easy to pull, but this is not the case. Oh guys, this is like a in or built-in wallet. So you have the place for your cards, and there are plenty. Let me tell you, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 on each side. You can store your cards, and you have another zipper. And of course you have the large compartment to store. You can store your mobile phone because this zipper is sturdy, so you can feel if someone will open it. And of course you can also hide it here somewhere, and no one will be able to open it without you know. I'm very, very obsessed of securing my bag. And now the outside pocket, where I usually grab also tissues or my sunglasses if it's summer, or also things that I need to reach easily. This is also magnetic closure. Now let's go inside. We have the shoulder strap. I said strip, it's strap, sorry, so strap. And it's long enough. I'm going to model that in the second part of the video. And right here we have two side pockets and one zipper pocket, and also there is plenty of room inside. And one more thing that I've noticed, where are you? Yes, we have our key holder. So if you are the kind of person that loses her keys, now you are secured because you have this very, very sturdy. I have a key holder, but I think this it will be also very useful, and it has a elastic here, also very, very well done. So this is the bag. This is the Hebe bag. Let me open this zipper. Yeah, oh, this is very large. This I usually keep my documents, my IDs, when I travel outside of the country, I put my passport and also my children's passport. So I need a bigger room, which now I have it. So I can see myself having this bag for my daily essentials, but also when I'm traveling, because it is very, very securely made to travel with this, and the size is perfect. You are going to see me modeling this in the second part of the video. So let me know what you think about this bag, and don't forget to check the description box. And a special thank you to Monoi for sending me this bag and allowing me to share with you my honest opinion. The link that I'm going to share with you and the discount code are affiliate. So if you are going to purchase through that link, I would like to thank you for supporting this channel, because everything that comes, I will invest in my channel. So I want to make that disclaimer. Now let me show you quick things that I purchased, and then I'm going to model them. So I was going to Mango a few days or weeks ago. I think it's a week ago. They had sales, and I bought 2 dresses. The bag matches perfect with all those dresses I'm going to show. So this is the first dress that I'm going to model. I don't know if it has a name. Vestido Inca. Okay, vestido. Yeah, it means dress. Yeah, so yeah, Mango, they are a Spanish fashion store. So you're going to see this on me. This is a closed neck, but I was trying it on the store, so it's not choking me. I find myself that after 40 something, I cannot stand anything to choke my neck. And the second dress, it's on the green color, a dark green, and we have a guest. So this is the second dress, and it is the Vestido Angel or Angel. This is like cross. I love this. And the last item, it's a pair of jeans that has some zippers here.
Mommy, what is there?
Jeans. and the size is 38. I don't know what this means in US, and it's a mid-waist skinny jeans. I could have sized down to 36, but they are not very long, so if I'm going to wear them with shoes, I preferred to have something to reach my ankle. So I'm going to model everything, but let me know what you think about this product, and also let me know what is your favorite pair, what is your favorite style out of everything I'm going to model in today's video. And yeah, my daughter just grabbed my foundation. I wanted to show you what I'm wearing today. So I have the Couture's foundation because I find this looks flawless on camera. And as an eyeshadow palette, I'm wearing this by Pat McGrath. This is the Celestial Odyssey Luxe Quad. But I will have everything list down below because I know that you are interested to learn about that. So yeah, you guys, now I'm really leaving. Bye!